Hi there Wargamers, Dan, DeathBringa Cain here, bringing another unboxing. This time it's the Test of Honor game by Warlord Games, with miniatures from Wargames Factory, I think it is, which was actually a bit of a... put me on the fence a bit, because I've had bad experiences with them in the past. Anyway, enough about that. Let's have a look at this product that I bought. So we've got nice artwork in the front there, with a nice bit of Japanese symbolism going on there. Lovely cartoon. What cartoon? It's still a cartoon. Yeah, it's whatever it is. Anyway, nice guy. We've got Test on the side. Different samurai bloke there, and a darker version there. So we've got a nice overview of what you get in the box. So you get 35 models for your £35, which is always a fantastic value. So without further ado, let's get my knife, crack open this box. Well, rather the cellophane on the box. Oh, it's a good feeling, that is. So let's get this open. See what we've got inside. So what starts us off here, we've got some cardboard scenery, which is always nice to get you starting straight away, and some cardboard tokens. So have a quick pop of these things and see what the thickness is like and what they're like. Yeah, so we've got, we've got a nice new box smell. So we've got hedges or stone walls, depending on your fancy, and some double-sided terrain. It's nice cardstock, not too flimsy. Unlike some other products, but I won't go into that. Yes, stop being negative, Dan. Anyway, nice cardstock there. All the counters you'll ever need, hopefully. So you got your commoners and samurai tokens and different injury tokens, your loot tokens type thing. So what else have we got? We've got a nice A5 rulebook and a battle guide. So a quick look through these. Nice age page looking type thing. So we've got nice detailed instructions of how to play by those things, and a quick reference guide in the back there, which is always helpful. So we've got battle guide and also a painting guide in the back. So we've got further battles, different scenarios, and how to recruit your forces. I think this could do with being online, because before this is available online, a PDF of the rulebook, but this page here isn't, because we've got the Dishonor card and skill cards rules here, so that could probably do with being inside the rulebook in future. But I suppose it's one way to get to buy the actual main game to play, I suppose. So let's do that. So we've got instructions of how to assemble your minis, which is always helpful. So we've got Ashigaru, if that's how it's pronounced. I'm assuming here, I'm probably murdering it. Samurai and Ashigaru Yari Troops. So it's always good. I love the Japanese back banner thing. It's adds a load of character to your miniatures. So what else have we got? We've got the multi-bases here. I decided to go for MDF bases just because it's just me, but it's plastic and it's nice. It's a nice little touch for your little groups of commoners you have. We've got a nice little baggie here of the Test of Honor dice. So let's have a quick roll of these. Looking open the bag. Yeah, that feels quite enough for me. Oh, that's atrocious. I barely got a success there. And that proves how good I'm going to be at this game. Yeah, so we need 3 swords to win, and I got 3 out of 10 dice. Yes, wonderful. So we've got a nice lump of plastic and some new Warlord round bases, which is always good. So we're going to have a little swish, and we'll tidy up and get these in under the closer cam. Right guys, just got that tidied up slightly and organised so we can have a quick look at the components. So we've got one sprue of samurai, enough to make 5 guys to lead your forces with, or to accompany your leaders. So we've got some nice back banners there, some interesting arms, different poses. Yeah, they're not... The detail's not as crisp as I'd like, and let's have a zoom in there now. But I'm sure it'll be fine once you get the once you get paint on there. Probably will take washes very nicely. Some armour plates for your arms, coats there, and the samurai. Looks like is that no, the torsos, the back of the torsos or front of the torsos. I'm sure when I'm putting them together, it'll make a bit more sense. Interesting pegged thing going on with your legs. So we've got two sides of the legs. So you've got peg and socket design there. Got some swords. Is that hands? Who knows? Who knows indeed. So you got your some twin swords and a single sword there. Some that's not sure what I'm looking at really. Some head crest things to go on the front of his helmet. Your twin sword set up there. And a single sword. Some more head things. And the actual heads. More swords. And looks like some spears as well. Yep, so that's the samurai. Right, 2 seconds guys and we'll be back with the Ashigaru, the bowman and musketman anyway. Right guys, back with the Ashigaru, Gary, whatever, Yari, no, bowman, musketman, yeah, commoners, yes, peasants, yes, so we'll, less of my bollock, rubbishing and stuff like that. Let's have a look, we've got some nice peasant heads with a characterful, stereotypical hats the Japanese wore all the time. Some muskets there, twin swords. Looks like some arrows, so you can have your bowman shooting. You got the legs there. It's the same. No, not peg and socket from these ones. So you got different design going on there for the actual construction. Some arrow back covers there. More back banners. I just love the Japanese back banner thing on. Allows you to get your force from real character and get it all uniform. So let's look at the Ashigaru. Ooh, what's that? Oh, it's the shoulder pack guy arms for the backpack, and that's not focusing at all. Yeah. So we've got bows, some kneeling poses. No. Oh. Always helps sometimes to look at from the other side, and if it's not very good, if it's not focusing. Come on, there we go. I'm back of the armour there, and don't even know, no idea what that is. Sure, it might make more sense a bit later on. Anyway, that's 2 of those spruced, enough to make 10 guys. So next, it is the turn of the Ashigaru Yari Troops. Back in a second. Alright guys, back with the Ashigaru Yari Troops. 4 of these sprues, so enough to make 20 guys. And we'll have let's have a zoom in and see what we got. So we'll start up here. We've got some nice arms for holding your big Yari spears. Or is Yari actually Japanese for spear? So is Yari spear not really a silly thing to say. So you got your front and back of your torsos, you've got legs, some kneeling legs as well. Big banner there, some twin swords for your backup weapons. Some really nice long spears. Look at that, that's huge. There's got some peasant head there. And a guy with a sword arm there, ready to strike. Some more torsos, the other legs, a backpack here. It's nice and interesting. Again, the back banners, which I'm loving anyway. and some more arms for your spears, and the arms for your backpack guy if you wanted to have a guy running around with a backpack. So guys, that's the models for the Test of Honour. So we've not only got a big stack of cards here, I'm going to have a quick look for these and see what we've got. So let's try and do this without destroying the cards. I don't know, we can find out somewhere there's one of those tabs that makes these all that easy to open. So we've got some nice looking cards here. So let's have a quick look at these here. Let's turn it over for your other side. So it looks like these are injury cards here. So you got a fish for some reason, or is it strength? Who knows. Yep. So you got barred pass, evasion. No, is that an objective card? Oh, these might be objectives actually. These ones. So Master Force weapon, coin once per turn. So we've got quest, honour. I'm sure it'll come in handy here at some point. So you got nice cards there. So injury cards, some more quest cards, dishonour cards, because everyone must have honour. Apologies for that, guys. It's terrible, I know. Who would do such a thing? So more injuries. So here we go. We've got your unit cards, which is nice touch. Ooh, bow upgrade for your leader by looks things. Dishonour, dishonour. Loyal spearman, experienced spearman, bowman, bowman, loyal bowman, experienced bowman, loyal musketman. So musician. Did I actually see a drum in that? I'm sure there is if I look carefully. Sergeant archery, and bow upgrade for the other side. Samurai hero, wise samurai, a devoted samurai, spearman, spearman, loyal spearman, bowman, loyal bowman, experienced bowman, musketman, musketman, loyal, yes. Get the idea. Oh, samurai. Yep. Lots of units there. Keep you going for quite some time. So guys, that's been the Test of Honour thing. So probably gonna not do a assembly bit here for the units. I'm gonna actually do a little blog series. I'm gonna do for that from getting my little war band to the tabletop. So I'm going to do a blog on that, so you're going to see that later on. So what's next? On to the next video. The cavalry video will be coming out very soon. Check it out in a second. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you like what you saw as well, hit the like button. It helps me out greatly. Thanks, guys. Okay, thanks for watching, and catch you all later. And happy wargaming.